Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and wishing you all a very happy Navratri. Today's topic is, should I hire an accountant? So this question came up from one of my client who is an early startup of like 4 months old, and he wanted to know that should he hire an accountant or should he do himself all the accounting entries. So to answer this question, I gave him two options, and I explained him the benefits of both the options, and that helped him to take a decision. So what are the two options? The two options are, either you can hire a bookkeeper or you can hire a chartered accountant, and both have different specializations, right? What would a bookkeeper do? A bookkeeper would help you maintain your records, prepare your balance sheet, prepare your profit and loss account, and maintaining your complete transaction records. Okay, and at the same time, what would a chartered accountant do? A chartered accountant who specializes in finance, tax, budget planning, tax planning, payroll compliances, money management, and there are many more areas where a chartered accountant can help a business owner or small and medium-sized entrepreneurs to grow their business, right? So these are the two aspects where which will help you to take a decision. So based on your requirement, based on the stage of your company, you can take a decision what are the help you are requiring from that person. If your requirement is only limited till the transaction recording, preparing a balance sheet and P&L without putting any decision making or putting any effort with the money management or budgeting or tax planning, then you can go ahead with the bookkeeper. If your requirement is more than that, where you want some expert advice on the areas of making growing your business and also thereby doing a lot of proper tax planning and proper actual versus budget planning for your business to grow, then you can go ahead with your chartered accountant. Okay, I think this helps. And the next question which he inquired was, what is the right time to hire them? So to answer this question, I would suggest that the right time for you to take a decision to hire people is your day one. I am not saying that you hire the person from day one, but you have to take a decision from day one of your business. So you know that when and which time you have to hire a person. If you feel that initially you have the bandwidth to do the entries, all the accounting entries, and do your tax planning from the business started, from the day business started, you can go ahead and do it yourself. However, if you do not have that bandwidth and your focus is towards the revenue generation and growth and marketing and all the other aspect, then I would suggest that hire an expert in that field. And also, while hiring a bookkeeper or a chartered accountant, do ensure to see their expertise and their experience, and ensure that they have their experience in your business field, in your business industry, which industry your business falls in. Okay, so hiring a person at the right time is very important. So these are the two aspects which you need to keep in mind before hiring someone, and which will help you also grow your business and will help you to be at peace while you focus on your expert area and they focus and they work towards their expert area. So hire the right people for your team. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have questions or want any further clarification on this topic or any other topic, you can write to me and I'll be more than happy to help you with your questions. Thank you so much.